Find the linear approximation for the function f of x equals 4x squared minus 6x plus 1 at a equals 1. Then use the result to approximate f of 1.1 and f of 0.9. The linear approximation makes use of the function f of x, 4x squared minus 6x plus 1, as well as the derivative f prime of x. The first term is a power rule. Bring down the power multiplied with the 4. Subtract 1 from the power. Second term is a constant times x. The derivative will be the constant. Third term is a constant with no x. The derivative will be 0. The next thing to do is evaluate the function f at the a value, which is a 1. That will be 4 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 1. 4 times 1 squared is 1, minus 6 times 1 is minus 6, plus 1. 4 times 1 is 4, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. 4 minus 5 comes out to negative 1. Next thing to do is evaluate f prime at the a value of 1, which is 8 times 1 minus 6. 8 times 1 is 8, minus 6, and 8 minus 6 comes out to 2. The formula for the linear approximation L of x is f of a plus f prime of a times x minus a. In this problem, a is a 1, so this will be f of 1 plus f prime of 1 times x minus 1. So L of x equals f of 1 is here and f prime of 1 is here. Putting those into place, negative 1 plus 2 times x minus 1. This linear approximation can be simplified by distributing the 2 in here, giving negative 1 plus 2x minus 2, and then the constants can be combined together, giving a 2x minus 1 minus 2 comes out to minus 3. There's the linear approximation. The next thing to do is use the result to approximate f of 1.1. F of 1.1 can be approximated using the linearization at 1.1. To evaluate the linearization, it's usually best to use the original version, that version there. That will give negative 1 plus 2 times 1.1 minus 1, which is negative 1 plus 2 times 1.1 minus 1 is 0.1. And this comes out to negative 1 plus 2 times 0.1 will be 0.2. Negative 1 plus 0.2 is negative 0.8. To approximate f of 0.9, again the linearization can be used, but this time at 0.9. The same version of it will be used, plugging in a 0.9. This will give negative 1 plus 2 times 0.9 minus 1 is negative 0.1, which gives negative 1 plus 2 times negative 0.1 will be negative 0.2. Minus 1 minus 0.2 gives negative 1.2.